When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and overall comfort, window replacement is a top priority. For residents in Sanford, the window replacement process can seem daunting, but with the right preparation and understanding, it can be a smooth and rewarding experience. Here's what you can expect during the window replacement process and how to ensure everything goes as planned. Initial consultation and assessment. The first step in the window replacement process is scheduling a consultation with a professional window replacement company. During this phase, an expert will visit your home to assess your existing windows, discuss your needs, and explore your options. This is a crucial stage where you'll evaluate window styles and materials. From energy-efficient double-pane windows to modern casement or traditional sash designs, you'll review various styles and materials. Receive a detailed quote. The professional will provide a cost estimate, including labor, materials, and potential additional services such as frame repairs. Ask questions. Take this time to address concerns about the process, warranty details, and timelines. Choosing your windows. After the consultation, you'll choose the windows that best fit your needs. Sanford homeowners often prioritize features like energy efficiency. Look for windows with ENERGY STAR ratings to lower utility bills. Durability. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad offer varying levels of longevity and maintenance requirements. Aesthetic appeal. Coordinate with your home's style to enhance curb appeal. Once your choices are finalized, the company will place your order. Depending on your selection, custom windows might take a few weeks to manufacture. Preparing for installation day. Before installation day arrives, you'll need to prepare your home to ensure the process goes smoothly. Some steps to take include clearing the area. Remove curtains, blinds, and nearby furniture to provide unobstructed access to the windows. Protecting your belongings. Cover nearby furniture and floors with protective sheets to guard against dust and debris. Planning for noise and activity. Keep in mind that window replacement can be noisy and involve several workers moving in and out of your home. The installation process. The actual window replacement is typically completed in a single day for standard homes, though larger or more complex projects may take longer. Here's what to expect. Old window removal. The team will carefully remove your old windows, ensuring minimal disruption to the surrounding areas. Inspection and repairs. Once the old windows are out, the installers will inspect the frame for damage or rot and make necessary repairs to provide a sturdy base for the new windows. New window installation. The new windows will be securely fitted, sealed, and insulated to prevent drafts and leaks. Final adjustments. The team will test each window to ensure it opens, closes, and locks properly. Clean up. Professional installers will clean up debris and leave your home in good condition, so you're left with nothing but stunning new windows. Post-installation inspection and maintenance tips. Once the installation is complete, a final inspection will ensure everything meets your satisfaction. The installer will walk you through how to operate and maintain your new windows. Be sure to Inspect the work. Check for proper seals, smooth operation, and overall craftsmanship. Register your warranty. Most reputable companies offer warranties on their products and installation. Follow maintenance guidelines. Regular cleaning and occasional lubrication of moving parts can extend the lifespan of your windows. Benefits to expect after replacement. Replacing your windows can significantly improve your home's comfort and value. Sanford's warm climate makes energy-efficient windows especially beneficial, as they help maintain a stable indoor temperature while reducing energy costs. Additionally, modern windows provide improved sound insulation, enhanced security features, and increased curb appeal. Choosing the right company. Selecting a reliable window replacement company in Sanford is essential for a hassle-free experience. Look for providers with positive customer reviews and testimonials, certified and trained installation professionals, transparent pricing and warranties. Final thoughts. Understanding what to expect during the window replacement process can help you feel confident and prepared. With careful planning, clear communication, and the right professional team, your Sanford home will benefit from the enhanced beauty, efficiency, and functionality that new windows provide. Start your journey today and enjoy the transformation.